What's up, everybody? Let's talk about the stock market. Just going to keep this straight and simple. Did I call it or did I call it? If you haven't watched my previous two videos, which I put out on July 6th, just 2 days ago, that's right, I'll put a link in the description of this video. Go check them out. What did I say? I said, warning in big letters, stock market pullback imminent. And then on the same day, I put it out because I felt like it was really necessary because I really felt like the market was going to pull back. And the other video I put out on that same day was called Trade the Stock Market Pullback. Well. Talk about excellent timing. I tell you what, look at this picture in front of us today. Remember I said 2 days ago that I took a short position because I believe the stock market was going to pull back. And what do we see here today, guys? 2 days in a row now. Okay, the second day just started a few hours ago. Looking at the futures, the S&P 500 E-micro futures. You really got to go watch. If you haven't watched the videos from 2 days ago, I seriously, when you get done watching this video, you got to go watch them. Look in the description of this video for those links and go watch it, because I said that there was a really good chance that this stock market was going to pull back. And at that time, I shorted 3 contracts, future contracts, on the S&P 500. And then last night, I happened to be up late doing some other stuff, and I looked at the market before I went to bed late, and I noticed that there was some decent momentum. Look at that big red candlestick on July 8th. Oh my goodness. So if you don't know futures markets, they close basically 5 o'clock East Coast time, United States, 4 o'clock East Central time, United States. Well, I'm Central time here in Texas, and they reopen at 5 o'clock East Coast, 6 o'clock. So as soon as they reopen, they're already trading the next date. Okay, so it's important to remember that. So the last candlestick to the right you're looking at right here, that's actually for tomorrow, 7/9. And you'll notice in the upper left-hand corner here, we're still on July 8th, but the July 9th candlestick's already showing, right? So anyway, you look at that big red candlestick from earlier today, July 8th. Look at that candlestick. Oh my gosh. Yeah. I had said when I put out that video a couple days ago, if you looked at July 1st, I'm not going to ruin it, go back and watch it, that we had some huge indicators that the market was going to pull back. And sure enough, we're down already again tonight, $13, which is only a third of 1%, which isn't much. But you'll see on the screen there, the top of the market was 43.53. We're now down to 42.99. So the stock market's moved already $54. And at the low, my dinner, that's my alarm just off telling me to come turn off my dinner because it's cooking. Oh, okay, get something to eat. I'm hungry. So the low here on July 8th was 4279, guys. 4279. So from 53 to 4279, we're talking about 21 and 53. So $74 pullback. $74 pullback. And I get this feeling this is just getting started. Okay, I think we could get a pullback potentially all the way to the white 50-day moving average that you see on the screen, that white line, which right now is about 42.13. We'll keep a close eye on this. Like I said, late last night, I actually shorted, added to my position and shorted one more contract. So you'll notice to the right here on the screen, I have position -4. -4 obviously means shorting. And I'm up $573, almost $74, which is nice. Happy camper there. And, I could probably take another contract here. I just don't want to push my margin leverage a little too much. I don't need I don't need TD Ameritrade, the risk department, saying, you know what, even though this guy's got profitable position, let's send him a call, let's send them a margin call. We don't want that. So I could probably squeeze out a few more contracts actually, but I'm not going to do it. I'm going to play this one a little conservative for now. I think 4 contracts is fine. But the reason I mention all that, guys and gals, is because if you're in a position to short the S&P 500 futures, if you have a futures account open, you need to do it. Okay. I'm not going to, let me just give a caveat here. I do not give financial advice. Okay. Do I think you should do it? That's up to you. I'm telling you what I do. If I were in your position, I would probably do it. Because this baby's looking ripe. Ripage for some serious buku profit. This thing is going to pull back more than it is already. I think tonight we're going to see, the beginning of another down day, and going all the way until tomorrow, late tonight, tomorrow morning. I would not be surprised if this pulls back pretty hard, even more. And then if we get 2 big down days, I'll reevaluate where things are at. I'll take a close look at, of course, the forecaster, momentum, and some other things I look at just to get a feel for where things are. Do I want to hold? Do I want to close my position, take the profits, and call it a day? So I wanted to share this with you guys and gals. Listen, before we move on, click that subscribe button, because seriously, show me one other video on all of YouTube. Show me. You guys, go ahead and comment in the comment section. Show me where someone predicted the stock market the day before it pulled back. And not only did they say it, but they took a position like me to prove that they firmly believed in what they were saying. Because if you can show me that, I want the person to show me that they predicted the stock market would pull back, and that they proved they took a position. I don't think you're going to find it. If you do, I'll be surprised. But right here, you saw that I predicted it a day before the stock market pulled back. I backed it up by taking a short position, and you can see on the screen clearly that this position is profitable at a nice little sweet 578 right now. So I don't know. We'll see when I take the screenshot. Of course, prices are moving up and down. Futures is very volatile, but the time that I'm doing this video, it's at 573, 578, somewhere around there. Really nice profitability. Okay. So I think this market's going to continue to pull back for probably another day, 2, 3. Tomorrow's Friday. Friday is one of those sketchy days, boy. Fridays are sketchy. So we'll have to see. Friday, we'll just see tomorrow, because it is Friday. Fridays get a little weird because people do not want to hold positions, especially futures contracts, over the weekends. They don't like holding that. They like to close it off and not hold things over the weekend, especially when you have a market that's looking very shaky like it is right now. So I don't know what's going to happen tomorrow, but it could be a monstrous down day. It could be. It would not surprise me at all if Friday, July 9th, turned out to be a monster down day, with fear starting to come into the market and people closing positions and getting the heck out. Would not surprise me. We'll see what happens tomorrow. Because at this time right now, July 8th, at my time, 8:50, this is Thursday night. So we shall see what happens. You can't say I didn't warn you. You can't say that I didn't tell you all out there that the stock market was going to pull back, because I did say it. And I said it was time that I thought the best strategy was to short some future contracts, and la-di-da. I'm a happy camper. I'm not trying to brag too much here, am I? Sorry, I just had to do it. Hope you're all having a great day and a blessed day. We'll talk to you all real soon next time.